What is next step for Tesla? When can we buy back Tesla? Do you use my strategy to buy and sell Tesla? If yes, congratulations. You should make at least 14% profits. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about money mindset and trading strategy. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend if you want to make more money. So today I'm going to give you some long-term analysis. So if you're a long-term investor, if you are a swing trader, and if you are a short-term holder, you would love this video. Okay, so let's start. By the way, this is just for education purpose. It's not doing any financial advice. Okay, so now we look at Tesla, the RSI, to tell us what kind of market are we right now. Is it overpriced or underpriced or whatever? So now you tell me, when you see the RSI, actually I have mentioned in my previous video also, when you see RSI for just for Tesla, not for other stock, because every single stock is a little bit different. You need to look at the historical information, okay? But for Tesla, it's quite interesting. When for the monthly chart, basically, okay, my friend tell me I have to speak slower, so I try to speak slower, okay? But to give you the essential information as well. So, okay, when Tesla, they go below 40. Basically, the last time when they have the low point is 37, RSI 37. If you bought at that point, this is monthly chart, remember. So if you don't know any analysis, you just bought at the, let's say, whatever the price in that month, you making basically to the peak here, you basically making around 3,200%, which is 32 times profits. Okay, so right now we have another point just recently in last December. It happened, we have 38 RSI. So basically every time when Tesla on monthly chart, when they just go below 40 and they go above 40 and they flash a green bar, this is a buy signal basically. Okay, so last time you have 32 times basically. So you bought at this candle in June. You have, let me see. Oh, sorry, 25 times, 25 times. So basically 25 times. Now I will have to give you a bit alert. You don't expect 25 times this time also because the price is higher, much higher than before. Before it was 15. Now it's a big elephant. So you would take less ROI, would take less return than the first time. Okay. So you would expect, well, I would expect less than 25 times, but which is pretty good, right? For how many months? For 29 months, you have 25 times return for your profit. So now, where are we now? Is it expensive price right now? Now we are RSI 52. So I want to show you last time when we have RSI 52 around here. So basically, I want to show you 52 is expensive here. Wait, 52 is around here. 52 to the peak, you will have 22 times still. It's still a lot. At that time, it was around, this price is around 22, 20, this price, okay? So right now we are still cheap. So we are at the same level of RSI. So we still have a big room to go up. This is a monthly chart, okay? So if you're long-term investor, you miss this candle. So you're waiting for the next candle. When can we buy in? Now I'm going to tell you when can you buy. So now look at the weekly chart. I want to show you what's going on right now. So we have one oversold signal. So I have mentioned this one is a good price to sell. I'm not saying to short, I'm just saying to sell because with our indicator, you can see we are still in the uptrend. We are still in the uptrend. So what are we right now? Where are we now? So I want to show you something is when a stock build a base structure. So one kind of form is head and shoulder. So I want to join, how does it look like head and shoulder? Head and shoulder, well, I have to show you my terrible, look like this. So this is head and shoulder. So this is a shoulder line. This is for the base. Okay, so when they build a base, basically is this is one of the platform, like this. So you can form a double base, you can form other platform also. So this is one of the structure for the base, okay? So this is head and shoulder. So for the long-term holder, okay. So if you draw a line, so I just show you, if you draw a line like this, so this area is a good area to buy. This is the first buy signal, okay? And for the head and shoulder, usually the stock will come back up and to go up again, okay? So this, the second time they come back down, this is another buy signal, okay? So, so now we still haven't happened this one yet. So what price is that price? Now I'm going to show you. Oh my God, my terrible drawing. I have to, next time I draw a better one, but hope you don't mind. So I want to show you, you can draw this also yourself. That basically is around this price, around 300. Around 300, this price is the head and shoulder. So you can see you form a resistance for a few times and you form a resistance here for this week. So you will take more momentum to go up again, okay? So basically, we need to, for the long-term holder, you can wait for this point to buy. Some people ask, for long-term investor, can they buy now? Well, I want to show you something. So this is also a parallel line. So we are in this upward platform. You can see we are very close to the base. So you can use this base as a cut loss also here. Okay, but so far we are still safe. We are still in the upward. With my indicator, you can see the direction of this blue line. We are still turning upward. So we are still safe. Don't short stock when I say they have resistance. We hit the resistance because in the long term, let's say I want to teach you something. If we are like this, if the market is very strong, they always need to pull back a little bit, right? And if you short here, let's say you short here, what happens is the reward and risk is not good enough for you to do the trade. Okay, because it's still a strong market. Why you short the stock? Maybe they only pull back 1 or 2 days and they go up again. You never know. When the market is very strong, the pullback is very short. It's not expected, it's not necessary to go back to the support line. It's not necessary. So remember this, okay? So Tesla is still quite a strong market. So I want to show you, in my last video, I have mentioned for very short-term holder, basically, we have hit the resistance. And if you're a short-term holder, you can sell for profit. Why I say this is a good sell points. If you don't know any analysis, you can just use my indicator to sell the stock to protect you. Okay, so now the blue line, this is daily chart. The blue line is still going downward. And then we hit the number 9. When actually I sell 1 day before even number 8. Why? Because when it's number 8, when they just go above this blue line, when it's number 8, remember, when the upward momentum is usually 1 to 9, 9 is almost the end. So when it's close to 9 or 8, you start to monitor closer if you're short-term holder. So how? But this time, this candle already dropped for 5%, right? So when you see the video, maybe they dropped already for 3%. So how you can sell it on 8th candle? So you will look closer to 30 minutes. This is for short-term holder. So I want to show you 30 minutes, this one. Well, 30 minutes on that day is 30th of August. So you will start to observe from this line. If you really want to maximize your profit, you don't know how to look at the resistance, the gap area, just look this simple method. When they drop below this blue line, you sell. So basically you're selling here. You will say, oh, we are not selling the highest. Yeah, but you never target the highest, okay? You just target relative high. You already minimum 14 or 17% profits already, okay? So you will sell at this price, and this moment you shouldn't hold any stock, okay? But even if you don't have time to look at the 30-minute, you can still sell on the 9th candle or 8th candle. This is still okay. Okay, this is still okay. And you can see on 9th candle is come with a red candle. When 9th candle come with red candle, it means the upward momentum is declining. Basically, it's the declining. So they will most likely they will have a pullback. Okay, if you don't know how to look at the resistance, the other indicator, you just use this single one. Done. Easy. Okay, so now they drop below this red line. So how we can buy back this Tesla, since I mentioned this is still low point for long-term investor. So basically, what you need is they go back. So we need this to, okay, the easier, just look at the daily chart first. We need this to stop, to come back with a green candle past my indicator, this cheapest. So the red bar go above this purple line. So we need a stop signal to say this drop is stop, go back up. So we need a green candle past the red bar, go above the purple line. Clear? Okay, clear. So this is one of our easy way to see the how do we buy back this. And you can also look at this indicator when they fresh. Well, basically the next trading day, which is tomorrow, they will fresh number 1 for the descending channel, for the descending curve. So number 1, so sometimes they have 9 or sometimes they have shorter, maybe 1 or 2 done. So it really depends. And this one I would expect a short, not really long pullback. It's a short pullback. So don't short the stock, please. Don't short the stock, because I know a couple of followers, they mentioned me, they short the stock, and I really don't like to short the stock when the market is strong. This is very risky. If the market is bear market, yes, but when the market is strong, the pullback could be very short. Let's say 1 or 2 days. Then what happened? Or the range is very short, right? So you need to protect yourself. Okay. So another way I want to teach you to how to look at the is using the Bollinger Band. Okay, so when the Bollinger Band, I have teach you in my another video, this is direction. The orange middle line is the direction of the stock. When it's going upward, this stock is going upward. When they're going downward, it is going downward, the trend. What if now it's flat? So what is it now? Do you know? Yes, sideways. So basically it's like this. Okay, so what is going on right now here? So when we see candle number, when they go to the upper channel, when they hit the ceiling, number 8 candle. Okay, number 8 candle. So you can see they hit already the top. So you can consider to sell already because it's already on the top of the range. Okay, so you can consider to sell, and because this is also sideways, you can see here sideways. It's different from here. You hit the top on 8th, yes. The best is they hit the top on the first candle. You see, they have a big room to go up. But the point is when they hit the top on 8th, when this line is going upward, it's still okay. But the line is sideways. So it means that the momentum is not so strong. So you will come down again. So this orange line would be the support. This orange line would be the support. Okay. So this is the Bollinger Band. And another thing I want to remind you, so you can start to analyze your stock with this simple indicator called Bollinger Band. It's free, or you subscribe to my indicator to analyze your stock, and it's very easy. So you can use the same method to analyze your stock. So for example, I just want to give you some example. When the Bollinger Band in weekly chart, when they go open the mouth and they going downward, don't trade, don't buy. Okay. So for example, let me give you some example. Let me use what should I use? Google. You see here, when they go downward and they start to open the mouth. So you don't buy here. Okay, you don't buy here especially. This is the beginning of the drop. Okay, so I want to give you a little bit warning, and this is quite easy way to see. And so Tesla, we have update the Tesla how to buy. So click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. If you like this kind of video, and tell me, subscribe to the email list. If you want me to analyze your stock, I will give you the page of my indicator. So for you to have a better understanding for your stock. So I see you in the next video. I will have a market update. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.